Hi guys, now I'm going to guide you how to practice topic number 5. Talk about your bad day. Talk about your bad day. Cô giáo sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn một số cụm từ mới khó trước nha. My bad day. One of the worst days. One of the worst days. I have had this year. I have had this year. Forgot my homework. Forgot my homework. Got in trouble with my teacher. Got in trouble with my teacher. Scolded me. Scolded me. Everyone hurt. Everyone hurt. Shameful. 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 Slipped. Slipped. Fell into a mud puddle. Fell into a mud puddle. Fell into a mud puddle. My clothes turned brown and smelly. My clothes turned brown and smelly. I couldn't go home and change. Change. I couldn't go home and change. Spend the rest of the day in dirty clothes. Spend the rest of the day in dirty clothes. Okay, now, here we go. Chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu vào nội dung tập bài nha. Hi guys. Now, I'm gonna talk about my bad day. Today was one of the worst days I have had this year. I forgot my homework and got in trouble with my teacher. She scolded me in class, and everyone heard. It was really shameful. Then during break time, I slipped and fell into a mud puddle. My clothes turned brown and smelly. I couldn't go home and change, so I had to spend the rest of the day in dirty clothes. Today was horrible. Horrible là khủng khiếp các bạn nha. Today was horrible. I hope tomorrow will be better. Ok. Có một số từ khó đọc các bạn cần lưu ý nha. Cô đã hướng dẫn đây rồi, các bạn sẽ nghe đi nghe lại nhiều lần nhá. Và có từ này các bạn lưu ý âm đuôi. Worst, worst, worst. Hurt, hurt. Scolded, scolded. Ok, bye bye guys.